In today's video, we're going to be setting up a Meta business account so that you can run Facebook and Instagram ads properly. I'm going to be getting right into the tutorial here, but if you like today's video, make sure to subscribe because I am coming out with a whole series right now on how to run ads for every type of business. You can see that I've already done them for e-commerce businesses as well as agencies, and I just came out with a video a couple days ago that was 9 secrets on how to get your ads a lot cheaper and really just scale ads properly. So lots of very unique information on my channel. I promise you that. I've checked out all of the other Facebook ads videos on YouTube, and you're going to learn some very unique information on here. And I like to think that is very instantly applicable is the type of info I like to do. So make sure you're subscribed if that sounds good to you. Smash the like button if I deliver, and let's get right into this tutorial. So this is the first screen I want to show you that a lot of people think they have set up their ads account, but it is not what you want to do. This is Meta Business Suite, and this would be under ads. Now, we're never trying to go under ads. We're trying to go under something called Ads Manager. That's where you actually want to run ads. So there's ads and there's ads manager. You don't want to go to ads. What this is just boosting a post. All right. These are posts that you've already come out with and you can boost them. And there are 0 scenarios for any company in any situation that you'd ever want to boost a post. You never ever want to boost a post. I came out with a video a couple months ago on that. So if you type in why you never want to boost a post, you should find that as one of the first videos and you can get the full explanation. But Facebook, Instagram, it doesn't matter. You never want to do that. So this is the other area where it's called Ad Center. It's kind of confusing how they have ads, Ad Center, and then Ads Manager. This is when you're on your Facebook page, you never want to run ads from here either. Okay, you want to be in here. So this is the Meta business manager area, if you will. And if you come in here, a lot of you probably already have your business account set up. Basically, what you need to know is a business manager account is going to be the highest level of account, and then underneath that you're going to have separate ad accounts. So the businesses are up here in this section, and if you don't have one yet, you're just going to go to create a business portfolio and you're going to set that up. So make sure that you have a personal profile. I'm sure you have that by now. And then a business page that is tied to that personal profile. Then in here, you're going to see that you have people. Now, if you ever want someone else to run ads for you, this is where you're going to invite them. This is going to be the easiest way to get someone else onto your account. But once you're in here, you're going to go to pages, and then you're gonna find yourself here, or your Facebook page, that is. So in this case, it's my personal brand. Here's like an old company I used to run. So let's say that I want to make it so that I can run ads under the Facebook page Atlantis Aquatics. You're going to go to assign people. You're going to click on your name, and then you're going to give yourself full control and then click assign. Now, I will mention the one time that you don't want to give full control is if you are giving another person control of your account. It's fine if you give them full control, like they're probably not going to go post and stuff for you. But if you give them access to content, then when they go on Facebook, their notifications are going to have all of your business's notifications. So typically you're just going to want to do ads and insights if you're giving someone else control. Otherwise, for you, you're going to go to assign. All right, then you're going to go to add accounts, and you're going to likely need to make one. So you're going to go to create a new ad account. You're just going to call this your business ad account, and then once that's done, you're going to again need to assign permission to that account. All right, a lot of people, they start making ads and then they see like, why can't I find my ad account, or why can't I run ads under my Facebook page or my Instagram page? And it's because you haven't assigned these permissions yet. All right, so you're going to go in here and then you're going to assign people. You're going to click on that and then give full control over the ad account. Then you're going to go under Instagram accounts, and same thing here. You're going to just assign people, and you may have to log in because it a lot of times is not logged in for whatever reason. This was logged in before. It kind of logs you out after a certain amount of time. So log in to your Facebook, your Instagram account. If you don't see it over here, then of course you're going to go to add and then connect your Instagram account, and then same thing, you're going to assign the people. Now, if the person's already there, then you can just go to assign assets, give access to the ad account for this. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go into data sources and you're going to create your Facebook pixel. And what I will say is you're actually not going to want to create the pixel from here in most cases. If you have a Shopify store, you're going to want to go into Shopify, get the app called Facebook and Instagram, and then create the pixel in there. Now, datasets versus pixels are the same thing. Like, I have no freaking idea why they're like, you know what? Let's stop calling it pixels. Let's call it datasets. It is the exact same thing. They just chose after 15 years of calling it a pixel, they said, let's call it a data set instead, which makes no sense at all. But you're going to just go to data sets if you're creating this new now. And if you have Wix, Squarespace, whatever website builder you have, you're going to want to go there to set up your pixel, because then it will have what's called an API integration. And without getting too technical here, basically what that means is that if you create the pixel, I'm still going to call it pixel, and then you copy the pixel code onto your website, it's only going to track a certain amount of the data. And this was like something that happened with Apple. They kind of got into a war with Facebook ads where they weren't allowing a lot of the data. When you download Facebook or Instagram for the first time, it will say, hey, do you want to allow this app to have the data transferred? So you can say ask app not to track or allow. And if you click ask app not to track, a lot of times that data doesn't come through to your pixels, which will make it very hard for your ads to optimize, because even if someone buys something, it won't show you, hey, you got a purchase and this is the ad that did it for you. So you'll never really know what ads are successful because it's not tracking it. However, the workaround is that Shopify is willing to give that information to Meta, and Wix is willing to give it to them as well. So you want to set it up through Shopify, and I'm going to do a different video where I do a tutorial on that, but it's pretty self-explanatory. If you do have Shopify though, I'm going to say that you're going to want to go into the Facebook and Instagram app, and then you're going to want to set your data transfer to maximum compatibility. Like, you'll see that it's got like limited or maximum, like how much data do you want to give to Facebook, give the maximum, and setting up your pixel or your data set that way is going to be a lot more effective. Then once it comes through, again, you are going to assign the people to it and then give the full control over that. And then the last thing that you're going to need to do is under brand safety and suitability is you go under domains and you're going to need to verify your domain. So I'm going to just show you guys what it would look like if I was going to verify the domain of another one of my businesses under this account. You're going to go here, you're just going to put in the domain, you're going to click add, and then it's going to give you these three options to do it. You're going to want to do the first one or the third one. The second one is by far the hardest one to do. So this first one is you adding this code into the header of your website. And that is the same place that you would paste your pixel as well. So if you know how to do that, if you're like, I know exactly how to put something into the header of my website, then go ahead, copy this code, put it into the header of your website, wait about 10 to 15 seconds, and then you're going to click verify domain. Otherwise, I really like the update the DNS text record, and I'll show you what that looks like. And this is where you're going to go to the website that you purchased your domain from. So if you got it from GoDaddy, would be a very common one. I got it from Namecheap. You're going to go to the domain, in this case this one, and you're going to manage it, and you're going to look for something along the lines of manage DNS or advanced DNS of the domain that you're looking to get permissions to. And you can see here that I have to update a DNS text record. So what that means is I'm going to add a record, and I'm going to go to txt record, and then you're going to copy this code here, and then just like it says right here, it will a lot of times require the @ symbol in the host field. The host field is right here. You're going to go to @ you're going to add that record. Oops. You're not going to click that. You're going to click the checkbox over here. And then now we've got that in there, right? So we've created this text record where I pasted that code and I put the @ symbol as the host. Then just wait a little bit and click on verify domain. It usually takes about 30 seconds to a minute. And if you can't get this one to work, then definitely go for this one and put it into the header of your website. Whatever you built your site on, just go to Google and type in like, where is the header on Shopify? Where's the header here or there? It's just going to depend on where you made your website. And you're gonna need to do this because once the domain is verified is when you're going to be able to get a lot more of the data to come through. Then the last thing you're gonna wanna do is set up your billing and payments, or actually there will be one more thing that you do after that. So billing and payments, pretty self-explanatory. You're just going to put in your payment info, and then you're gonna wanna go to business info, and then you're going to want to verify the business, which I need to do for this one still. Go to business verification status, and you're gonna need to submit some paperwork. And what this will do is if you don't have your business verified, then you can't spend more than $50 a day on ads. So that's literally the only difference. Once it's verified, you can spend more than $50 a day, and you'll need an EIN, and it will ask for some other paperwork. I'm not gonna lie, there are times where if you have old information, then a lot of times it can be a total pain in the ass to get them to approve it. Even if you don't get verified, you can still run ads for less than $50 a day, which is usually enough for a lot of campaigns. But then once you've done that, you are all set and ready to run ads. So make sure you subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. If you're not sure exactly how to run those ads, you will get the information on how to do that. All right, I'll see you in the next one.